Welcome back once again. In our last video, we learned about how to create email accounts, how to change the PHP version, and how to install WordPress. And we were able to log in from control panel. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to log into WordPress dashboard. Okay, and also clean the WordPress dashboard. But since I've already logged in, I'll first log out, so that I will show you how to do that. Okay, so let me go to the front end. So this is our website. Okay, let me say this is a new install website. So we are now going to modify it to look like something like this. Okay, so that I think I've received, someone has sent me a message. Okay, Moses has sent you connection request, so I have to go there and let's see what's okay. So I have to accept that. Okay, so you see successful. And what else? There's a lot of notification here. And next, post a photo. Okay, so you see I've been getting points for that. Okay, so let us continue. So we are now going to modify this to look like something like this. Okay, something beautiful like this. Okay, social media network. Okay, social network website like Facebook. Okay, so let's move on. So to log into your dashboard, just click here and enter /wp-admin. It's below this video. Okay, so your domain name /wp-admin. Okay, so and click enter, then it will take you to your login page where we can enter our username. That is username we entered during the installation of WordPress. So I will enter Irida Digitals. And then the password, I will put my password here. Let me enter the password. So I will click login. And now I'm on my dashboard. So what we are going to do is to clean the dashboard. I'll first click here, screen option, and uncheck all these. Okay, and this. So now you see everything is neat. So what else can we do? Let's go to plugins, select install plugins. The installation of the WordPress came with this plugin, so we don't need that. Let me check here and delete all, apply. And also when we go to theme, also we have a theme there that we need to delete it. I can just click here and delete it. Good, so I've deleted it. You have to leave one. And then what else? Post it. I mean, we have a post here, a default post. I have to delete this one too. Okay, go to trash, then empty the trash. Okay, and then post to, we have a default post here. So when we go to the back end, on the right click and go to open in a new tab, and there's the back end. We have this post. I have to delete it. We don't need that. Okay, so go to trash and empty the trash. Now let's go back here and refresh the page. You see this one is gone. Now let's go back again. Comment. Let's see if you have something there. There's nothing there. And let's go to settings, the general. Just click on settings, and over here everything is okay. Because we are creating a social media website, you need to select this. Anyone can register. It's very important. Without this, if you uncheck this, members cannot create an account on your platform. Okay, so save it. Okay, apart from that, let's look here. We have permalinks, so click on that. You see day and name has been selected. I would advise you to select post name. Come here and save it. Okay, so right now that is all that we need to do here, and then we are done. There's nothing to change here. Okay, so we are done. Okay, so let me go to dashboard, and as you can see, everything is looking perfect. So we have removed everything. So far so good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.